Hello friends, welcome. Let's look at this problem. The area of the base of a rectangular box is 48 square centimeter. Its height and length of the diagonal are 3 centimeter and 13 centimeter respectively. Find the length and width of the box. So we have been given the area of base of a rectangular box. We know its height. We also know the length of diagonal. We have to find out the length and width of the box. So let's understand first what information we have been given. The area of the base of a rectangular box is, we know, nothing but L into B. So we know LB equal to 48 square centimeter, and we also know H equal to 3 centimeter, and length of diagonal, let us say that is equal to D. We know the formula for that is square root of L square plus B square plus H square, that is given equal to 13 centimeter. Now with this information we have to find out the length and width. We can solve this problem using algebraic identities, or we can solve it using quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So first we'll try to understand. We have been given that diagonal equal to 13 centimeter. So let's square it on both sides. We'll get L square plus B square plus H square equal to 169. But we know H equal to 3. So we can go ahead and substitute that. L square plus B square plus 9 is 169. Or can I say L square plus B square equal to 160. Now we know that LB equal to 48. That means, can I go ahead and write down B equal to 48 by L. Now I can come back here and substitute in this the B value. L square plus 48 square by L square equal to 160. Now we are solving this by making it as a quadratic equation in L square. So this will become L power 4 minus 160 L square plus 2304 equal to 0. We can split the middle term for this. We can take L square equal to another variable Z, then it will become Z square minus 160 Z plus 2304 equal to 0. We can split the middle terms and we can get it as Z minus 144 into Z minus 16 equal to 0. But Z is L square, so L square is 144 one time and L square equal to 6. That means either L equal to 12 or L equal to 4. If L equal to 12, B will be 4. If L equal to 4, B will be equal to 12. So we have two options. Generally we take length as more and breadth is less, so we can go for 12 and 4. The another way how we can solve this problem without using quadratic equations, let's have a look at that. Now once we know that L square plus B square is 160 and LB equal to 48, we'll try to find out what is L plus B whole square, what is L plus B and L minus B, so that we can solve them. L plus B whole square is L square plus B square plus 2LB, that is 160 plus 2 into 48, 96, 256. That means L plus B equal to 16. Now again you can go back to quadratic equation, because you know L plus B is 16 and B equal to 48 by L. Suppose you don't want to use quadratic equations, then you can find out L minus B again. L minus B whole square is L plus B whole square minus 4LB. What is L plus B whole square? We already know, 256, minus 4 into LB, that is 192, which is equal to 64. That means L minus B is square root of 64, that's equal to 8. So we have two equations now. One equation is for L plus B and another is for L minus B. This equation is number 1 and this is number 2. If you solve these two equations by taking L plus B equal to 16 and L minus B equal to 8. Solve them. You get L equal to 12 comma B equal to 4. So the dimensions length and width of the box are 12 and 4. 12 and 4. L is 12 and B equal to 4. So let's summarize this problem. We have been given that the area of the base of a rectangular box is 48 square centimeter. Its height is 3 centimeter and the length of the diagonal is 13 centimeter. So we know LB is 48, H equal to 3 and diagonal is square root of L square plus B square plus H square equal to 13. So we started with this information because we know H value, so we can get an equation in L and B. We have already one more condition here in L and B, so leveraging both of them we should be able to solve it. So L square plus B square is 160, but we know B equal to 48 by L. It's a quadratic equation in L square. Take L square equal to Z, becomes a quadratic equation in Z. Then we get L equal to 12 or L equal to 4. The other way what we can do, we know L square plus B square, we know LB. We can leverage algebraic identities and find out what is L plus B, A minus B, from which we can take linear equation in two variables, solve them. We get L equal to 12 and B equal to 4.